Okay, today I'll try to finish tense. Okay, and tomorrow, if we finish tense, tomorrow we'll study from the book syntax. I have already finished present tense. Now, past tense. Past tense, it also has four aspects: simple past, past continuous or progressive, past perfect, and past perfect continuous or progressive. So today I'm going to teach you some uses. Simple past tense. Simple past tense. We use only verb to. Subject plus verb to plus objective means. We use only verb to. And this one is uses to express past action. We generally use simple past with let me see, okay, there are some adverbs like yesterday, ago, last, okay, those days, yesterday, ago, last, okay, and then those days, there is one in plus past time. In plus past time. Okay. It means that we use verb to in simple past tense, and we use verb to express the past actions. हिजो हामीले प्रेजेन्ट पर्फेक्टमा हामीले एउटा के पढाएको थियौँ भने रिसेन्ट पास्ट भनेको थियो नि होइन. रिसेन्ट पास्ट छ भनेदेखि चाहिँ प्रेजेन्ट पर्फेक्ट युज गर्ने हो. रिसेन्ट पास्ट होइन, समवेयर इन द पास्ट, पास्टको कुनै पनि समयमा चाहिँ त्यति बेला चाहिँ हामी verb to युज गर्छौँ. एन्ड देयर इज वान क्लु. प्राय पास्ट टेन्समा चाहिँ के गरेको हुन्छ त, सिम्पल पास्ट टेन्समा चाहिँ दिज एडभर्ब्स टाइम एडभर्बहरू लेखेको हुन्छ. yesterday, ago, last, those days, these days होइन है. these days भनेको प्रेजेन्ट भयो, दिज अहिलेको दिनहरू भयो. those days भनेको ती दिनहरू. okay. And another is if there is in, and after in if there is past time, like in 2010 भन्यो भने 2010 त पास्ट हो, त्यति बेला हामी सिम्पल पास्ट टेन्स युज गर्न सक्छौँ. लेट मी राइट वन इक्जाम्पल. She came here yesterday आयो भनेदेखि yesterday भयो. They went there ago, few hours ago. We met him last week. Those days. We enjoyed lot. In those days. Earthquake killed many people in 2015. So 2015 past tense. In 2015 identity, we have to use simple past tense. And another is habit. Okay, first finish writing these ones. Number one is this one. Number two, to express past habit. These are the examples. Okay.
So the we make it LAST here.
Last year. So to express past habit, do you have any habit that you have already left? Did you have any habit or not? तपाईसँग हैन बानी यस्तो नराम्रो बानी अथवा राम्रो बानी थियो त्यो छोड्नु भयो अहिले सुधार्नु भयो अथवा त्यो बिगारेर अर्को नराम्रो बानी छ पास्ट habit छ भनेदेखि त्यस्तै habitलाई एक्सप्रेस गर्नु पर्यो example I'll write example here so that example I smoked a lot. It means that now I do not. Many are there. So let me tell you another one. We went to cinema every day. I have written here. We went to cinema every day. It means that what? Not now. It means दिन हूँ सिनेमा हेर्न गइन्थ्यो बानी नै जस्तो भइसकेको थियो अहिले गइँदैन भन्ने अर्थ लाग्यो 2 number 3 another is one is important one with when clause. When clause means there are two clauses, when and while clauses. Okay, while clauses generally we use past continuous tense, and when clause we have to use simple past tense. For example, okay, when I pushed her. No. When the teachers came in, all the students stood up. Look at here. When the teacher came in, जब टीचर आउनु भयो when सँग के भन्न सक्छ यहाँ all the students stood when सँग आएको छ another one is यो दुवैमा के आयो verb to आयो came in stood आयो but another is when I met him he was walking यहाँ वाज देखेदा पनि व्हेन क्लज चाहिँ यतिसम्म मात्रै हुन्छ यति मात्रै के हो त व्हेन क्लज हो व्हेन क्लजमा के आएको मेड verb to आएको छ so after when you have to write verb to okay and then number 4 is last one if two action occurred at the same time and one is one was where is yes sorry I made a mistake two if two action occurs at the same time and one was done due to another action दुईवटा कामहरु हुन्छ एकैपटक हुन्छ र एउटा काम चाहिँ अर्को कामको कारणले गर्दा हुन्छ Let me see a beautiful example here. Let's see here, right here. When I pushed hard, एउटा action भयो. She fell down. दुईटा एक्सन भएको छ एउटा पुशिङ गर्ने एउटा एक्सन भयो अर्को फलिङ डाउन हुने एक्सन भयो एउटा लड्ने एक्सन भयो तर एकैचोटी भयो पुश गर्ने बित्तिकै लड्यो तर के कारणले गर्दाखेरि लडेको ठेलेको कारणले गर्दाखेरि लडेको so at that time we can use in both places we have to use simple past tense okay this is the usage of simple past tense now if you have any questions you can ask me let me revise once again simple past tense we use verb to form and simple past tense number first rule is if any action takes place or was taken place in the past time then we have to use simple past tense generally we use such actions with these adverbs yesterday ago last those days in plus past time I have already written there the examples number second is if we have to express our past habit then we have to use simple past tense that means past verb to okay then number 3 is with when clause after when clause generally in a sentence if there are two clauses is divided by comma you can just see where is it when clauses look at here when I met him here एउटा clause भयो यसलाई चाहिँ हामी when clause भनेर भन्यो he was walking यो अर्कै clause भयो the same way when the teacher came in एउटा clause भयो all the student stood up यहाँ simple past युज भएको छ यो झनै झनै यो फर्स्ट एक्जाम्पल र यो लास्ट उस्तै उस्तै देखिन्छ तर यसलाई अझ क्लियर गर्नको लागि दुईटैमा सिम्पल पास्ट हुनुपर्छ भन्ने छैन when सँग मात्रै के हुन्छ सिम्पल पास्ट हुनुपर्ने हुन्छ वेनसँग चाहिँ जहिले पनि हामी भर्ब टु नै लेख्छौँ भने लास्ट युज चाहिँ के हुन्छ अरे भन्दा कुनै पनि दुईवटा एक्सनहरू सिमिलर टाइममा एउटै टाइममा चाहिँ हुन्छ र सेकेन्ड एक्सन चाहिँ फर्स्ट एक्सनको कारणले गर्दाखेरि घट्छ जस्तै यहाँ मैले के इक्जाम्पल लेखेँ when I pushed her मैले जब उसलाई ठेले she fell down ऊ लड्यो लड्नुको कारण चाहिँ के हो त फर्स्ट एक्सन्स के हो त पुसिङ हो पहिला यो ठेल्नु पहिलो एक्सन हो कि लड्नु दोस्रो एक्सन हो एकै समयमा भइरहेको हुन्छ ठेल्नु बित्तिकै भइरहेको हुन्छ यस्तो बेलामा पहिलो एक्सनको कारणले गर्दा दोस्रो एक्सन हुन्छ भनेदेखि त्यति बेला हामी सिम्पल पास्ट टेन्स दुवैमा लेख्छौँ दिस इज द rules or uses of simple past tense. Now let's go to past continuous tense. Past continuous. I told you it has another name also, that is progressive. The structure of past progressive or continuous is was, were plus verb form. Subject plus was, were plus verb form plus object also it can be said. Was, were plus verb form. Uses. We have only one use. Let me see. I'll write in formal way. I have made one note. Okay. Let me tell you. The past continuous tense expresses the action that was going for some time in the past time. This tense is used with all plus past time. Okay, and also with the time clauses when and while to express the sequence of two actions. Okay, three things it has been said in my note. Okay, first let's break this one. The past continuous tense expresses the action that was going for some time in the past. To express an action going on sometime in the past. Sometime in the past. कुनै पनि बितेको समयमा कुनै पनि बिते निश्चित एउटा समयमा कुनै पनि काम भइरहेको थियो भनेर जनाउनको लागि हामी past continuous tense use गर्छौँ. So what was happening half an hour ago? What was happening here? आधा घण्टा अगाडि के भइरहेको थियो? स्टडी गरिरहेको थियो अथवा सोशल सब्जेक्ट हो. Or yesterday what was happening at this time? Okay, we were studying present tense, you know? So we can write down we were studying present tense. Yesterday at this time. At this time. अहिले जति बेला पनि हुन सक्छ. हिजोको यो समयमा हामी के गरिरहेको थियौं? We were studying present tense. अहिले छैन. We were studying. यहाँ were युज गर्छौं. Were हामी केसँग युज गर्छौं? प्लुरल सब्जेक्टसँग युज गर्छौं. Was चाहिँ सिंगुलर सब्जेक्टसँग हामी युज गर्छौँ। Number two is it was in the same note. I didn't remember. Let me see my note. Okay. Number two is I have told you this tense is used with all plus past time. Past. This is one. This is two. Continuous tense is used with all plus. This is one. All plus past time. You have to remember this one. Let me write one example here. Maybe it is here. Yes. She was reading a novel all yesterday. If it is written. She was reading a novel all yesterday. तपाईहरुलाई एउटा क्लु भयो यो खासमा त फर्स्टकै हो पहिल्यै रुल्समा यो इन्क्लुड गर्न सकिन्छ तर यहाँहरुलाई बुझ्न सजिलो होस् भन्नको लागि what I made here I made it break यसलाई मैले चोइटाइ दिएको छु एउटा के बुझ्नु पर्यो भने यदि all सँग past time आयो भनेदेखि you should not be confused all पछाडी past time आयो ago आयो yesterday आयो last आयो last evening आयो भनेदेखि त्यो भन्दा अगाडि चाहिँ all भन्ने एडभर्ब आयो भनेदेखि त्यस्तो बेलामा हामी के युज गर्छौं was were plus verb form युज गर्छौं and number 3 is this is the last one number 3 is we use past continuous tense with अघि हामीले when clause को कुरा गरेको थियौं सिम्पल पास्ट मा चाहिँ पास्ट कन्टिन्युअस मा चाहिँ while clause डिफरेन्स छ है when र while मा यसो हेर्दाखेरि जब when भनेको नि जब पनि हो जबै हो while भनेको नि जब हो तर when चाहिँ हामी पास्ट टेन्स when I met him भन्छु भनेदेखि while युज गर्नु पर्यो भनेदेखि चाहिँ I met him while he was walking in the park. I met him. अथवा while he was walking in the park भन्ने पनि भयो यसलाई यो अगाडि while युज गर्दाखेरि while पछाडी चाहिँ हामीले जहिले पनि के युज गर्छौं हेर्नुस् त सब्जेक्ट प्लस was गरे प्लस verb युज गर्छौं यसैमा हामीले when युज गरेको भएदेखि चाहिँ के भन्थ्यो when I met him यहाँ verb 2 सँग युज गर्नु पर्थ्यो when चाहिँ तर verb 4 सँग युज गर्नु पर्यो भनेदेखि हामी when युज गर्न पाइदैन हामी while युज गर्नुपर्छ this is the rules of past continuous tense. Okay. Now past perfect. It also has only one rules. First finish. They are not finished. First one. Okay, you have to remember. First one. Past action which was happening in the past time, sometime in the past. Second one. Okay, with all plus past time. Third one with while plus. Only 3 things. Past समयको अथवा बितेको समयको कुनै पनि समयमा कुनै पनि काम भइरहेको थियो भन्ने अर्थ अर्को all आयो all पछाडी past time आयो बितेको समय आयो अर्को while भन्ने शब्द आयो while पछि पछाडी जहिले पनि हामी was with plus verb to use was. So, shall I rub it?
Yes.
Now, past perfect tense. Now, two tenses, two aspects we will study. We'll do short exercise that I have prepared for you. Past perfect tense. प्रेजेन्ट पर्फेक्ट टेन्समा हामीले के पढेको थियौँ सब्जेक्ट प्लस ह्याज ह्याभ प्लस भर्ब थ्री पढेको थियौँ भने पास्टमा चाहिँ ह्याज ह्याभ केमा चेन्ज हुन्छ ह्याडमा चेन्ज हुन्छ ह्याड प्लस भर्ब थ्री मात्रै हुन्छ ह्याड प्लस भर्ब के मात्रै चेन्ज भयो ह्याज र ह्याभ मात्रै चेन्ज भयो ह्याडमा चेन्ज भयो लेट मी सी नोट पास्ट पर्फेक्ट So there is one example. Generally, it happens in our society. Let's talk about one robbery. कुनै पनि घटना भयो. Suppose कुनै ठाउँमा चोरी भयो. Example मैले पहिला exampleबाट बुझाउन कोसिस गरेँ. कुनै ठाउँमा चोरी भयो भनेदेखि पुलिस कति बेर आउँछ? आधे घन्टा पछाडि मात्रै आउँछ. आगो लागि भयो, दमकल आगो निभेपछि मात्रै आउँछ. हाम्रो बिटर ट्रुथ के छ चोर आउँछ चोर भागे कि भागेन भनेर भागिसकेपछि मात्रै पुलिस कहाँ छ चोर भन्दै आइरहेको हुन्छ दुईवटा एक्सन भयो नि त हैन एउटा चोर नै कहाँ भयो अर्को पुलिस आउने काम तर चोरी सकेर भागिसकेपछि मात्रै पुलिस आयो भनेदेखि त्यस्तो बेलामा हामीले पास्ट पर्फेक्ट टेन्स युज गर्ने त्यसले एक्जाम्पल हेर्नु है त Look at this example. The thieves have already run away before the policemen arrived. Before the policemen arrived. Okay. यसलाई हामीले के भनेर लेख्ने त रुल्स बनाउनु पर्यो भनेदेखि listen. The past perfect tense is used to express the occurrence of two past actions in a sequence in which one action had already completed before another action started. One action had already completed before another action started. Police आउने काम पछि भयो हैन त्यो भन्दा अगाडि नै अर्को काम हुन्छ भइसक्यो. Okay. So what we can write? So to express an action that was already completed before another action started. एउटा एक्सन सुरु हुनुभन्दा अगाडि अर्को एक्सन चाहिँ कम्प्लिट भइसकेको हुन्छ. Okay. Example यसको फेरि अर्को इक्जाम्पल लेखौँ हामी the fire had extinguished भनेको निभाए निभे before firemen arrived. आगो निभाउने मान्छे आउनुभन्दा अगाडि नै के भइसकेको थियो फायर चाहिँ बुझिसकेको थियो निभिसकेको थियो Let me see, we have another or not, I think. We'll check our book also. One clue is there. This tense is generally used with the time clauses like when, after, before, by the time, as soon as, etc. We use this tense, means past perfect tense, with when सँग पनि युज गर्छौं, before, after, by the time, as soon as. Let's write some example here. One example. He met me after his father had gone away. दुईवटा एक्सन भएको छ प्राय एउटा उसले मलाई भेट्ने अर्को उसको बाबा बाहिर जाने कुन एक्सन पहिला भयो मिटिङ गर्ने एक्सन पहिला भएको छ कि बाबाको बाहिर जाने पहिला एक्सन भएको छ बाबाको बाहिर जाने हो त्यस्तै बेलामा चाहिँ पहिलो एक्सनमा अगाडि चाहिँ हामी के लेख्नु परेको ह्याड प्लस verb 3 खै मैले ह्याड लेखिन ह्याड गन यसैलाई हामी as soon as युज गरौँ त as soon as his father had gone away पहिलो एक्सनको अगाडि चाहिँ लेख्नुपर्छ है यो had gone away he met me after को ठाउँमा as soon as पनि युज गर्नुपर्छ so in this way you can use others also like he met me before before यसमा युज गर्न मिलेन नि त before his father had gone away he met me हुन्छ after चाहिँ युज गर्नु पर्ने रहेछ before युज गर्नु पर्दैन so this is all others it may not have in my note one is there is hardly used very एकदमै थोरै मात्र युज गर्छौं जस्तै I will write two example I wish and I wished Put it here. It may be useful for your conditional sentence also. For example, I wish I were a bird. I wish I had been a bird. कुनै पनि विश छ त्यसलाई हामीले पास्टमा भन्नु पर्यो विशसँग पास्ट पढ्नु पर्यो भनेदेखि हामी यहाँ सामान्यतः के गर्छौं यहाँ चाहिँ पास्ट टेन्स युज गरेको छौं भनेदेखि त्यो विशसँग चाहिँ हामी पास्ट परफेक्ट टेन्स युज गर्छौं ह्याड बीन अर्को इक्जाम्पल ह्याड बीनले तपाईलाई कन्फ्युज गरायो भनेदेखि आई विश्ड यहाँ इट इज भनेदेखि आई विश्ड I had gone to US. म चाहन्थे म कहाँ गइसकेको हुन चाहन्थे युएसए गइसकेको हुन चाहन्थे यस्तो बेलामा चाहिँ had plus verb 3 युज गर्न सकिन्छ been भनेको नि verb 3 नै लास्ट one that is past perfect continuous tense. It also has only one rules. Let me read first. The past perfect continuous tense is used to express the action which had been going on sometime in the past before another action started. यो सबै के हुन्छ past perfect भनेको चाहिँ past perfect continuous tense. For example, हिजो something was happening. Yesterday something was happening. Let's say it was raining. पानी परिरहेको थियो तर पानी पर्नु भन्दा अगाडि नै तपाईसँग चाहिँ के थियो तपाईले अलरेडी छाता बोकेर हिँड्नु भएको थियो. I had been carrying an umbrella before it was raining. Okay. So let's write some example at first. When we finished our walk, it had been snowing for 2 hours. Past perfect. I was a bit in hurry today because I have to finish both. Past perfect continuous. Future tense also we discussed. It is very short. Had been plus verb 4. Past perfect continuous. Had been plus verb 4. Okay. Had been plus verb 4. I told you okay, when we finish the work. When we finished I made a mistake. When we finished the work, it had been raining. It had been raining for 2 hours. An example. The example भयो when we finish the work. यो past time मा finish गरेको हो नि finish भइसकेपछि past time मा सकिएको काम भयो तर त्यो past time मा काम सकिनु भन्दा अगाडि पनि अरु काम अगाडि देखि नै भइरहेको थियो भन्ने कुरा It had been raining for 2 hours. यो सकिनु भन्दा पनि अगाडि 2 घण्टा अगाडि देखि नै पानी परेको थियो भन्ने कुरा हैन हामी यसबाट बुझ्छौँ यसलाई कसरी लेख्ने त भन्दाखेरि if to express, let's write to express, writing this one, to express an action that was going on before another action completed. कुनै पनि अर्को एउटा काम कम्प्लिट हुनुभन्दा अगाडि अर्को काम चाहिँ भइरहेको थियो भन्ने कुरा थाहा पाउनु त्योभन्दा अगाडि नै अर्को काम भइरहेको थियो भनेर थाहा पाउनको लागि मैले ल्याङ्ग्वेज अलिकति नमिलाउन सक्छ द पास्ट पर्फेक्ट कन्टिन्युअस टेन्स इज युज टु एक्सप्रेस द एक्सन विच ह्याड बिन गोइङ अन सम टाइम इन द पास्ट बिफोर एनदर एक्सन स्टार्टेड इज सेम सो अगेन when we finish the work, for example, we have finished this work yesterday at 2 o'clock, 2 p.m. हिजो 2 बजे हामीले यो काम सकियो एउटा काम सकियो भनेदेखि 12 बजेदेखि नै अर्को काम के भइरहेको थियो पानी परिरहेको थियो पानी पर्ने काम भइरहेको थियो र जनाउनु पर्यो भनेदेखि त्यो अगाडिको काम भइरहेको थियो भन्ने कुरा जनाउनको लागि चाहिँ हामी had plus been plus of use plus. Okay, let's see with some exercise. Okay, I have 5 exercises. I have 12 exercises here, but I'll give you only 5 so that we can have another time. I don't know whether we'll have enough time or not. We have only 10 minutes. If you finish 5 questions within 5 minutes, then I can teach some future tense. Let me write some questions. Questions for practice. Number 1. Simple. Meena dash write a story yesterday. Very simple this one. A bit difficult. Number 2. My uncle dash walk in the park when I met him. Similar type of questions I asked, but it is a bit confusing one. Number 3. C past SLC. Sorry, what was the answer? No. I have already written answer. I'll write answer. Gopi dash go out before Pratap arrived. Number 4. Mr. Rai dash drive all day yesterday. Number 5, Lakshmi came home after she has left the college. Let me check whether did I have mentioned all 4 or not. That is okay. 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 Yes. So I'll give you 3 minutes time. Okay. Can you just finish within 3 minutes? So how much you have understood? Okay. It will be easier for me whether I have to repeat or not. Look at the word yesterday in number 1. Number 2 is when is there. When is there. Here I have taught you when and while clause. And I have used there number 3 before 2 actions happen. Check again, okay, Susan? Check again. And then all day yesterday is there. All plus past is there. And another is after is also there. So clues in each sentence you'll find clues. So we have already finished. No. Wrong. Right. So you have to write very logically according to the uses that we have just learned. We have just learned the rules. According to that rules, we have to write. We cannot write the answer blindly. Oh, time is over. So let me. Yesterday मैले के भनेको छु yesterday सँग के लेख्ने verb to लेख्ने भनेर भनेको छु right को verb to के हुन्छ wrote हुन्छ simple past tense yesterday सँग past action भयो नि त yesterday भनेको त past भयो अर्को छ my uncle dash walk in the park when I met when सँग चाहिँ के हुन्छ made use हुन्छ verb to use हुन्छ भनेदेखि पछाडीको क्लजमा चाहिँ अघि मैले लेखेको थिएँ यहाँ के हुन्छ was walking Gopi dash go out before Pratap arrived before छ भने के युज गर्ने had plus verb 3 had gone out all पछाडी यहाँ के आछ त all पछाडी के आएको छ पास्ट टाइम आएको छ भनेदेखि मिस्टर राय was driving all पछाडी पास्ट टाइम आउनुबित्तिकै हामीले was with plus verb को युज गर्नुपर्ने हुन्छ Lakshmi came home after she had left किनकि आफ्टर पछाडी पनि हामी के युज गर्छौं had plus verb 3 use plus no. Okay, so look at the exercise of your book, okay, and do any one. Which one you want? Let me check. So the present perfect भयो नि अब हामी गर्ने भनेको past हो. Wait, past perfect, past tense. 6.3. Okay, try to do 6.3.
Yes, sir.
Okay, this much for today. I could not teach future tense. Okay, we'll finish future tense and we'll study 1.2.